Well, if you think that Pepe is done, then guys, hear me out. Today we're gonna talk about Pepe. Guys, Bitcoin is dumping, as you know. Bitcoin is dumping because of the bad news. We don't know how low we get. Maybe 50k, maybe 55k. Who knows? The most important part is that we're still in our big bull flag, right? This is the most important part, and we have to consider that. The next thing is that Pepe, on the weekly, we see this support line, right? We had our low here back in April, we had our lows here in August and September. So this is the moment, right? We get into some smaller time frames right now. This is the moment where I think it's a great opportunity to get in again. The moment of, yeah, as soon as we're getting here, basically, as soon as we're getting to our support line again. Will this happen? I don't know. And I don't even think that this will happen. I mean, okay, it could happen. It could definitely happen here on this area, but I don't think that we get back to these lows here, right? I don't think that we get to these lows here. I don't think that. Maybe somewhere here, you know, above the support line. This could happen, definitely. You have to make your own research on that, guys. But Pepe was crazy. As you know, we talked about this resistance here. I was telling you I'm expecting the price to get rejected from here to get some, you know, the people will take some profits from here on. Now what will happen here, guys, we don't know clearly, because if we get bad news, this could go even lower. So for now we are holding at this high here, right? This was the point. If we're taking this in consideration, this was basically the time when we were pumping, broke the last high, came to our next resistance, and right now we are retesting this again, right? This is quite obvious, so this makes sense. We are breaking the support, we're breaking the resistance, coming back to the resistance. Now this has to act as support. If we are breaking this also to the downside, then this is a bad sign, right? That's why we are holding right now on the daily. This is the, you know, important part, and I think people will jump in at this place, right? At this support line, if we're breaking towards the downside here. So you have to consider that, guys. Now let's check the MACD. The MACD is bearish, so clearly it's nothing new, right? We have still bearish momentum on the bigger time frame, on the 4-hour time frame. We're gonna check our EMAs, and this is quite interesting because the 200 moving average, right, the blue line here, is almost at this place where I want to get in for Pepe. This is the place where I want to get in at the 200 moving average and this support box here, right? This is what I'm waiting for. So if we get bad news here the next days, or if we see that Bitcoin is dumping even lower, then guys, you have to make sure to save your money and get this 500 USD position airdrop for Bybit. First link in the description. You will get them by checking the terms and conditions for many altcoins here for Bybit. So yeah, this is a great opportunity to get some free airdrop money, free position airdrop money. But also you have to make sure to check this trading competition. $10 million in prize pool. This is the biggest trading competition every year on Bybit. Huge, really huge, with big bonuses if you get in early, right? Still 1 day left. So yeah, guys, you have to make sure to save your money, to get in when it's safe, to get out when it's safe. And right now we don't know if it's safe to trade this right now, because yeah, Bitcoin is not doing great right now, and yeah, this might change. But yeah, let me know what you're thinking. Are we getting back to our support box here? I will, consider to get in, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.